Ọ̀bárò Lumba ẹ̀kọ́ wà lẹ́pẹ̀lú ẹ̀bùsàfẹ́ náà kókò. Nípa ń kọ́kọ́ wà nù àǹkó. Ó ti fẹ́ yà sẹ̀tẹ̀ ní ìjọba yà ń sẹ̀. Ọbẹ̀ ká mú nyìnà ọmọ bòm náà sùn já ẹ̀ dẹ̀. Àbà ìjọ ọkà ọmú nyìnà. One week. Mami ooo. Ọkọ̀ ọmú nyìnà bòm one week ẹ̀bà. Àtẹ̀lé wọn lè fi ẹ̀bà. Ọkọ̀ ọmú nyìnà bòm one week ẹ̀bà. Báwo ni ẹ̀bí ṣe é sí ìbò? Yankee Abusi and Penny for company. Mukro Mama Mredi, and we're hot. What to Germany, what to Canada, and one right. By yes, and Mem Hadi, who you be now proceed to come. I mean, what the fuck would you say? Me did the prophet doctor, IOB, and the son will be at the name. It's in Pacho, and Commander Yedi. It's in Pacho, and Commander Yedi, and yes, I began enough for Nuba Concasa. Ye Janasa Santa for number one. Ye Janasa, Sabio, Lumba, Yampa say, yes, Yadofo, the going there, Ghana.
Brad, no make music go.
Positive things, then be a negative things necessarily. I didn't know about I didn't see you ready the event. I did me a side and side. What's oh, you see, and to snack up at it. I didn't want to say, watch out. Yeah.
Yanko gate no, Yanko. Yeah.
Yes, number water.
The question of who the question of the other inside. Simple. But you are not saying you play the one I hear the I pray 1 hour. Party be na na dey say play match party be I na this play match now we ma send you to na sia connect say bani di onya boni bia me ma fam di abusa bani ni boni bia se bi abusa bani be say en ko lu na bi ko ban ko na ko ti ayi ni me na ma ama na ayi e so am akobansa so bani di onya boni bia na ka sa ho ru na ko so na se bi abusa bani ko ka sa si na o mo se ka ma ko ye no mana sa bi sa bani na ki e ko ka mo mo de ska ni de e fi ba ke abusa bani na to no e to say e ye ni to ko so ko base ka fi ba di o se si na e wo ko ma ka so no no ni de ba na fans wo e wo sa ka wo ba mo na di ni
Now me go no mo nya do.
Manuko online. I say me my family. Maybe a talk tom. Me na talk tom. Me say. Kata ni ba kire. Me na me talk tom. She's a woman of substance. It's a woman of section. Maybe on some as a woman.
Yo, Daddy Lumba, ya papa Charles Kwajo Fosu na yie no ho hyehyɛ na eguso nti we ya nwumere yi prepare grounds no wo hwa Baba Yara Sports Stadium ne on Heroes Park animu ho pe ne ye bibia nti wo hwɛ sɛ police for afa mo bia free ha omo ye park ne so siesie canopies ne tent ane decoration ya de carpet ane as form ne we no hwɛ sɛ inside a bibia ekoso fefefe nti ayi no bia ka sɛ maso tena oboa bibia da na kwa so a court na order sɛ etena no abusu panyin timi ya ayi no ohwɛ sɛ preparation ni bibia ekoso na body no so na mkwa mu a eba ohwɛ nipa betwa ha hia na nipa bodom pem wa ha our stadium animu Heroes Park ne mre ye we a lot TV who subscribe and not subscribe who like and comment and share live no hi Heroes Park Baba Yara Sports Stadium animu ohwa Kumasi Heroes Park Baba Yara Sports Stadium animu pe ne ye wo no enti wo dia won subscribe and comment ma ora fi so be comment o video no ho we Lord TV there won say Lord TV there ade be fa music ho bia na the bell live ade be fa music ho bia no Lord TV no de shake the hit maker baby and ti wo no e chena e general live ayi ase Daddy Lumba ayi no so an ye wo no enti manso bebrebe na course no nyina no judges no master to issue no ama ye ayi ne ene chena ne kwasiada enti na yesa Lord TV adwuma yefo nyina ye bot dompem ni aba na ye be hasa ampa se ekoso ana ahwe preparation na ekoso no so a kire sa ampa ai ya boabo ai hu bibia nipa bebo abagitwi obi ante se be ye yie no nipa ni nyina gitwi efiri mro no so kwada so aton so ahensan bo krom tepa ma ban akwasi ase akire nsua enkran konongo takwa wasa kropon mitimi mu bodi mampon ba bibia adwira tebubu kwa medanso nkranza tachima sunwane abebo mpimo ha obia nipa ne sedesi ba na efe kwa na minimisa tuna no aye ne be ya kra behwe enti Daddy Lumba na yie no mo hye na eguso no hwe ayo Heroes Park ne woi na hwe nipa eba na nya agrokra adia san nyina nipa guso ba bebre adia san nyina nipa guso ba sa enti Heroes Park ana mre ye wo animo no to hwe se emma hofefo kumasefoɔ ne nkran kumase sunya ne tamale ebi firi tamale nyina be piem tena be interview no ba dia to hwe nipa eba na ha encouraging say aye no anu ani aye no na manfo ani sɛ Brenda de Lumba no ho do so be aye ne pa ne nyina so ye be ye aye ne pa ba ye hu sa manfo ani abre ye se body no enam kwam a ye nya ne ntie se body no enam kwam a eba na de be to so bia no se de nyina ba bram Lord TV nya mama ni fra ne mama so so nsi enti de won subscribe ya subscribe na press the button no na de be to so bia ye de nyina ba bram obi a live ani abre ani ma ko so e bi to nsuo na hwe nipa be gu ha na akyeresa kyena no pa na wia ne kosi ada na de ebe yedwe pa hwe nipa ba ha na nipa doso pa we no kra na yese emma so no yesa ma so se court na order se yantimi ya yie no Lord TV beduru a hwe nipa wa ha na anya asem ketwa kra anya asem ketwa ye mo bibia akwa ba misra oba so a comment ne mo odi comment live no ne mo odi ye nyina igina mo eden ya ye betwa ho abade na nyesese asem kra to obi an comment no like yo she one manfo train say de Lumba tunu eba ba pie mu Kumasi Heroes Park anya asam ketwa kra nipa bodompem musri pa train say de Lumba ni funu no eba ba beduru Kumasi Baba Yara Heroes Park ma hwe nipa abadru aba pie so ha na odofo ba bia wo bia bomodna section aba antina fie o abotiro America UK Canada Australia ba bia wo bia no de chena want me ama join Lord TV subscribe na wa hwe nipa wa ha nwumire stra na ya tweda de Lumba funu na anya agro fra ye gina mu yenya na yo ya tweda de si adida de Lumba ba beka yensa wo Kumasi Baba Yara Heroes Park enti amafo abodon pemo twa no adomo wa ha na nya dom keto akra to de wa no so be subscribe wo be like na be share video no ye gina mu Lord TV the better from behind the bebram Lord TV the better from behind the bebram Ready Lumba. Na ye no ho hyehyɛ ya na gusu no. Wo hwɛ ye Heroes Park. Baba Yara Sports Stadium ani mu pe na ye wo no. Lord TV. Odum se free tete ya de. Ese baby a news wo baby a music eye adwuma bi Lord TV wo because odi shekef eye director of the Lord TV no. Oye musician. I was say baby aniti wo no man of the moment, song of the moment. Ye pe baby aniti wo no. Odi shekef na nkasa mu na manage Lord TV. Ti baby music obi edi akotenenti ayi no de ekoso nyina de bibia bebrem. Say o Heroes Park. Na ye no hyehyɛ ne ye na hwɛ sɛ ho ne hyehyɛ ne ye decorate canopies ne no manyina na wo ho no fefefe. I just say for security reasons tem obi anwura inside. For security reasons no. Dem obi anwura inside. Na mo motumi kyina abonten twabi. Tu hwɛ sɛ canopy ne ahoboa na eguso na. Police and soldiers eba. O hwɛ sɛ ayi no hyehyɛ ne ye de. Sa nipa ababodon pimo hanya agro kra yo Baba Yara Sports Stadium. Ahwe nkonya ne tent ni nipa eba na atena yie na mpa ye bedwa we kura na manso ba yie ne ho no o hwe se de nipa si aba bebodon pimo hana na anya agro kra anya agro ni nim se tena de ampa ye bedwa Lord TV so the better from bia the bebrem the bebre ya dofo ni ahwefo atiefo na the better koso bia bebre Lord TV ahwefo nyina. So we are here live at Daddy Lumba's funeral. This is the evening service. We are waiting for the body of Daddy Lumba. You can see we have a huge crowd here waiting for the body of Daddy Lumba. So despite all the litigation, finally the court has ordered that the funeral can be taking place. So we are here waiting for Daddy Lumba's body this evening. You can see the crowd here. Everybody is patiently waiting. Today we are not sleeping. So Lord TV will bring you everything concerning this funeral of Daddy Lumba, the high life legend. And Odisha Kef, I'm here to telecast everything live to you on Lord TV because I'm one of the musicians, high life musicians now in Ghana here with the hit song Baby and the T1 also. Tomorrow we'll be on stage. You will see your boy here representing live, performing live Baby and the T1. So we are waiting for the body of Daddy Lumba. So today we are not sleep tonight. We will not sleep this night until we see our father here. And the funeral will be going on tomorrow, Saturday morning, for the burial service. In the afternoon, main funeral will be taken off. Then in the Sunday, we'll have the final funeral rite. That is the church service, after church service. So don't go away from Lord TV. Just subscribe to the channel, like the video, share for others to join us leave your comment and we'll reply to you. So you can see interviews upon interviews are going on.
But I'm not myself because when you say we are planning on the slope, when you are food, you
So the streets leading to the Baba Yara Sports Stadium, that's the Heroes Park, has been very busy this evening because when finally the court ordered that the funeral can be taking place, everybody is rushing here. So you can see we have a huge crowd here waiting for the body of Daddy Lumba, so that tomorrow the funeral will be going on. So stay tuned, everything is on the way. You can see the preparation is ongoing. So we have the canopies. So this is just the beginning of the funeral. That's the beginning. The preparation of the grounds, the funeral grounds. That's the preparation. So everything is on, ongoing. Everything is being ongoing. So we are preparing for the tomorrow burial service and the afternoon final funeral service together with the Sunday. So this is the preparation. And everybody can't wait to see what is going on here. So everybody, many people from different places, different regions have traveled all the way from other regions, Greater Accra region, Northern region, Eastern region, Western North, and other cities, even including other countries, Europe and African, traveling all the way to see the funeral, how it is going on, despite all the litigation and the court orders. Thanks be to God that everybody has been followed their directives. So that is how it is going on here. We are preparing for the tomorrow funeral. That's the burial service in the morning. Everybody waiting here to see the body of Daddy Lumba before going home to sleep. And as I'm speaking, other people are coming in numbers. When it is announced that the funeral is going on, or you can celebrate the funeral, everybody is moving from his comfort zone, from his house to the Baba Yara Sports Stadium, Heroes Park, just to witness the funeral. So that is what you are witnessing here. You can see. TikTok live, so that's all.